Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome to another stream. So, let me jump over to here. Go like that. Bazinga. How's everyone doing today? So, let me go to the live chat. Make sure everything's good here. Okay, so today we're going to be pretty much taking off from where we left off yesterday. So, yesterday we started the pick-packing logic. It's pretty much a job for inmates. Where they can do a pick-packing job to earn money. There is a list I made for all the things I did wrong yesterday. So what we're going to do is we're going to rectify all these issues, and then we'll finish off the rest of the logic. What we're probably going to avoid today is doing any of the design, because that's pretty boring. We might get that done at the end of the stream. But what we're focusing on today is just the logic. We can just have button presses to initiate a job and finish a job, sort of thing. But we'll be able to do all the logic in between, sort of thing. That's what we'll be focusing on today. And if you haven't noticed, brand new intro beat. Shout out to Schizo, so Schizo for that. He actually made that. It's an original beat that he made himself. So that's going to be the official intro. So if you check the description, you want to go check out his channel, there's a link in the description for that. But anyway, this is the stuff we're working on. Let me jump back over to here, make sure everything's good here, make sure we got the post. Yep, this is all good. Make sure everything's looking good here. Okay, so now I've actually got alerts. I've got a viewer count. We've got the chat, which should just show below the voice there, below that, pretty much the same spot. Yes, so everything's a little bit different now. As you can see, new intro, music for the intro, because I'm trying to make these streams a little bit better, but that's what we'll be focusing on today. So let's jump straight into the list. So here's some of the issues. So the rack number is returning 2 instead of the total rack numbers -1. Well, it's returning to all the total rack numbers -1, because that's I'm not actually doing the random integer. It's really just returning the value of 2. So we need to fix that. We need to set the working array element. I forgot to input the index, so it's not even gonna do the. Oh, there's only one array element now, so we still got to plug it in. We've got to make a box. I want to turn the box into an equipment. I didn't do that. I don't know why I didn't, but I should just do that, just so they're all part of the same master. And then we've got to rebuild the logic, because I don't like the way I did it. We just got to do this a bit more cleaner. We need to set the interact type for the dispatch pallets. I didn't do that, so now it's actually showing none when we interact with it, and we need to give it an actual interact type. So we can do that straight away, just to get rid of that out of the way. So we need to get interact types and add it here. We're just going to call it dispatch. So what I need to do now is I need to define the pallets like this. Here we go. Oh, that's the pallet. Yeah, see, this is what I got to do, but in the dispatch. We can just do this automatically by going hidden, hidden in game, and then visibility off. Visibility off. And now I need to do a scale like this. See, now that's the dispatch. So now that's going to show the right word when you interact with it. There's that, so we can get rid of that from the list. We'll just get rid of this. I'm setting the locomotion state the wrong way, even though it's still working the way I did it. That's sort of the old way I was doing it, but now I want to do it this way, so that's that. And also, I was spawning the box in the hands after the animation was done, and it doesn't look right. So what needs to happen is I need to spawn the box straight away and then do the animation. It's the only way it's going to look right. So there's that. But let's do this. Actually, we can do that and this. We can go like that and go like this. We can do these two now. So let's go to where we spawn in working. Okay. Double check on you guys. Hey, shout out to the two watching. Jump in the comments, guys. Let me know where you're watching. Hit the like button, guys. Consider subscribing. Liking the video actually really helps get the video out there. So I'd really appreciate it if you would. So make the box a class of the master. Alright, so I need to first go here and disable the dependency on it. Okay, save all these things. Alright. Shit. Okay. What? Alright, so now I can just do this really. Box. What? What the fuck? What happened here? Whatever's going on there. Wait, shouldn't I have the one of these? Oh fuck it, who cares? Just do this. Oh, okay, I've got to make equipment type now. Handcuffs, radio, box. Okay. Now let's just make them sure the master is where we want it. Alright. So now we can go back to here. Components, player, character, working. Box. Okay. Oh, wait. It'd actually help if the mesh was changed. Uh, that one, I believe. Yep. Okay. Actually, I've probably got some logic for this. I think I did. It's sort of ringing a bell there. It would make sense to put all the equipment logic into here. Alright, so there we go. Attach equipment. Box. Box. Alright, bang. Ah, don't want to go to myself. I want to go to equipment. Okay. Attach. Oh, right. Right. I can do this one as well. This needs to go like this. I need to do a box. Uh, uh, no. Remove. I need to do logic that you obviously can't be handcuffed or wounded or something like that before you can start working. All that logic just comes when you just test it and you figure out all that type of stuff. But anyway, all right. So there we go. So now we're spawning and despawning, spawning and despawning, and made that a class. Beautiful. Now we can jump into working and fix that. The locomotion states. See what I'm doing here, and see how I'm getting this animation blueprint here, which is like an interface call. This is the old way I was doing it before I figured out the best way to do it. Because see how I've got the animation instance? What I need to do is get rid of that. Call this. This can not matter. And then we can go to set locomotion states. Update locomotion state. There we go. That's how you're meant to do it on the multicast, so it replicates. All right, so now we want to go to set working state. Bang. Set working state. Okay. Refresh. That's what I've got to do. Now I've got to do it. custom multicast reset working state. No, I can just do it like this. It's just going to make a lot more sense. So it makes more sense. Loco motion state. Readability in code is very important. Even though no one's ever going to see my code. I'm too OCD like that. But, oh, well, you're seeing it now, aren't you? Alright, so there we go. We've got locomotion states being more multicaster. So there's that fixed. Alright, there's that done. That rebuild. Now we can go to this. Look what I'm doing here. I'm literally getting the number, which is 3, then I'm mining, which is 2, and then I'm saying that that's the rack number, so it's always 2. What I need to do... where's the comments? Oh, are they in a bad spot? I think I've got to put them a bit lower anyway. I can probably... How you doing, Justin Actor, mate? Welcome to the stream, brother. Shout out to the one watching. So all the alerts and everything seems to be working nicely. Very good. A prison game, yes. A multiplayer prison game. Completely driven by players. Similar to how 5M works. You know, the phenomenon of 5M, role play, that's what I'm trying to achieve. But making just a prison game where you can either be a CO or an inmate, and there's no missions, there's no cutscenes, it's just completely player driven, voice chat, and the players make the fun pretty much. But that's pretty much where we are. Let's go back to here. So what have we got? We've got set working array elements. So here's the 2 issues here. So there's that issue, and then there's... Oh, there's no loop anymore. Or is there? Yes, of course I've heard of San Andreas multiplayer. I developed San Andreas. I developed servers for over 14 years. Look at all my old videos and my old streams. You can see me. My first video is me showcasing my zombie system. Yeah, so what are the odds of that? Go check my description too. You ever heard of NVCNR or State of Decay San Andreas? I created both of them servers. So NVCNR is New Vegas Cops and Robbers from 2012, and I developed San Andreas or State of Decay San Andreas, which is a zombie survival server for over 5 years, which was very popular as well. But yeah, that's probably how you found my channel, because of my SAMP content. You're a fucking legend. Thanks, brother. But yeah, now I'm working with Unreal Engine. Alright, so now we need to do this and do this into an array. So there's that. That's the maximum. So we need to go like this. So this is 3 minus 2. So we need to go from 0 to 2, which will be like this, from 0 to 2, and that's our random. That's our random rack number, which we then can go like this and then like this. So that's what I was meant to do. If you didn't pick that up in the last stream or yesterday's stream, let me do an OCD fix like that. There we go. Very critical fixes they are. Very critical. Alright, okay. So I wanted to do either 2 to 3 boxes, or no, 4 boxes. So 2 to 4 boxes, because I want this not to have this bracket here, the need for it, and I want this whole thing just doesn't look right. Order. times amount boxes from rack 1 rack number there's our shit, there's that situation happening here again. So local box amount, local rack number, okay, so now for the love of God, may God have mercy on us all. All right. All right. There's the rack number, and now we can get that said rack number and go, and then go, and then go, just like that. Oh yeah, baby, beautiful, beautiful. All right. Okay. This is local box amount. Local box amount. Beautiful. Beautiful. I've been voice acting. That's nothing you did San Andreas multiplayer. What do you mean? I've been voice acting. That's nothing you did in San Andreas multiplayer. What do you mean? So order 2 boxes from rack 1. There we go. So now let's maybe jump in and just check everything. So we need to rebuild that bad boy. Working element. Yeah, that's right. Where the fuck's this? It's not an array though. Interesting. Okay. So that's actually setting the rack number and the rack details. Voice acting isn't nothing compared to what I did. Oh right. So voice acting is like a level above programming, is it? Okay, I didn't know that. You made my childhood San Andreas multiplayer. Oh yeah. Well, since 2009, I think I found San Andreas multiplayer in 2009, or possibly even 2007, 8 maybe, and it was version 0.2x. It ended up stopping at 0.3.71 or something. Alright, so there's that done. So what we need to do, set array, random rack number. Oh, okay, there's that fixed. So now we just need to rebuild logics. We probably don't know that. I don't need to do that because now that's everything done. I'll just say that, get rid of it. So now I'm just gonna jump in and test everything. I was born 2008. Well, I was born in 1988. All right. Oh, voice acting isn't nothing compared to what you did. I read that wrong. Sorry, I was. 1988. You're the same age as my mum. Wow, way to make me feel old, brother. I feel ancient now. But Like the adults warned me, bro. They said it will come. They said this day would come. And now I'm one of them. Adulting. Sorry before, man. I thought you were saying voice acting. My job's voice acting, and it's it's like better than what you did with Samp or something. I don't know why I read it that way. I half read things, half say things. With my speech disfluency, I sometimes say the completely wrong word. Um, so now I'm just going to test how the box appears in the hand now. It should look a lot better now. Um, let me see here. That's okay. All good, brother. Um, okay, so L order 4 boxes from rack 1. That looks alright. And now we can go bang. Oh, for the love of God. For the love of God. Okay, something's happening now. I broke something. Yes. How high is this chat going? Okay, so I need to work out this chat. Where is it? Okay, chat. Okay, so that's the height of the chat. So what I should do is get like that. And then go like this. Oh shit. I think that would work. Hopefully you can still read that. I reckon. There we go, maybe like that. Hello, Path. How you doing, mate? Welcome to the stream. We need a story mode prison game. I hope you inspire them to make it. I'm more interested in making multiplayer games. Not interested in making a single player game. Potentially in the future. This is. I don't like this look here, but let's maybe. Why is it in the? Oh, I've got to go to the settings, I think. Oh, shit. Okay. Interesting. Interesting. Yeah, I think that's alright. Does that look alright, the chat, guys? Yeah, I think that's us. Wait, let's see what it looks like here. I can't. I can't see. Does it look alright? Is the chat like? What I want to know is the chat like way in the way here? Is it? Should I make it smaller so you can actually see what I'm doing and stuff? That's what I want to know. Can someone please let me know? Um. Looks good to me. Alright, sweet. The only thing that's pissing me off is this. The fucking space here. Let's just fucking go with this, alright? Because the more to the left it is, it's better. We can go maybe. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it. Alright, there we go. There's our chat. So bang, bang. Alright. Oh, okay, so I can't see it now. Beautiful. Alright. Yeah, I think that's good. And you know what? Fuck me, dead mostly. Dude's killing me right now. I just gotta go bring it down a little bit more. There we go. That's us. Alright, beautiful. Bang. Bang, bang. Bang, bang. Beautiful. Everything's working good. Alright. Be right back. No worries, mate. Alright, so shout out to the two watching. Alright, now. So what's happening is. Oh, that's right. That's what's happening. This is fucking shit right up. Alright. So remove the equipment, do the put down thing, and then disappear, and then you can finish that. Yeah, like that. Yeah, I think that needs to go first. That's right. So now the box should be good. Just a little technicality there. But I want to just try and finish the logic. So then all we need is the computer to initiate the order, put order details and stuff maybe on the computer, and then come back and dispatch the order. But to avoid having to do that, to be able to access the initiation and the ending, we can just use buttons. You know, one button to initiate an order, then we can pack the order, do all the logic in between, do all the stuff in between, and then bang, dispatch the order. And then all that needs to be done is I need to just make a design quick, and bang, we're done. We're done with the job system. So I want to just mainly focus on getting all this logic done today and properly done. As you can see, you always need to fine tune stuff. I usually like to just build something as quick as I can, and then I can understand how it works, and then you can optimize the process and stuff like that. It's easier to do that instead of trying to optimize and finalize, do everything that you're probably going to rewrite at the end anyway. You know what I mean? So throw it together and then mess around until it works, and then optimize it, make it better. So all right, so L. Okay. Oh, what the fuck's happening here? Interesting. Interesting. Okay. So. Let's forget the montage for now, because I think the montage and this is clashing. It probably needs a couple of frames to wait. So let's just try and avoid that. Let's just attach the box and just go straight into the working state. Ah, that's what's fucking happening. It's fucking. I love it, bro. There's always those. That's considered a compiling error. It compiles, but it's a fucking error. Alright, so there we go. So that's why it's not happening. So let's revert back. So now this might work. So going into the states and then instantly into the montage, so then it looks right. So you're in this state by the time you go back. You won't see the point from here to here is that quick. You won't even tell. So there's that. There's that. Alright. Now it should be good. Shout out to the 0 watching. Alright, we're good. Yeah, I think the chat's pretty good there. Not too bad. Everything's good, I think. Yep. Yep, everything's good here. Let's get rid of this actually. Let's do it. So what do you reckon of the intro beat, guys? Do you like it? It's an original beat by So Skito. He's a bit of a jack in all trades. He's a producer, a rapper. I'd like to call him a graphic designer as well. He's a game developer. He's a 3D modeler. He can do animations as well. The jack of all trades, this guy, mate. Shout out to him. And when I say he's like he can do those fields, he's really good at all of them. Ah, okay, so L, K. All right. Oh, fuck. Interesting. So interesting. There's like a interesting. Why isn't a box fucking spawning up? I bet you that's something. Yeah. Something's not working along the way of the box. Uh, oh, I know what's happening. I didn't do any fucking references. I bet ya. Yeah, I didn't do any references. I bet ya. There's the reference there. Look. This is the type of errors you literally wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning, or you're on the fucking toilet and you think, "Fuck." All right, there we go. Now this shouldn't. But I think there's like an issue. It's like the animation plays, or the animation is finishing and then going back to the idle. So I think there's a very slight issue with the animation. Uh, should have. How long have we been going for? 30 minutes, not bad. Everything's good over here, yep. We just need to get this working right and then we can move on to the other logic. We can do the palette first, redo that logic, get it ready, and then we should be able to interact with the palette and the dispatch and then do our thing. Then we'd have to go into the working logic and have that all working correctly. Well, see how it goes up and down? Interesting. Oh, I know what could happen. I know what we could go like this actually. This is what I think's happening. That's what I think's happening. Oh no. Fuck. Okay, so that was the issue. The other way around. this. Shit. This is how it's meant to be, I think. So box appears, goes into the instant state, but then instantaneously does a montage, so it should hide any effect of that, and then bang. That should be good there. I think that's us. Oh shit. Okay, get rid of this. Shit. Alright, let's jump in now and try it. Yes, I think this might work. Okay. Fucking hell. Alright, beautiful. Alright, that's the process. KL. KL. So now we'll be able to see what it looks like when picking up and putting down boxes. Then all we need to do is get the palette logic done, and then we literally just got to get like it's very a couple other things to do, and boom, it's done. So the way it works is we walk up to a pallet, interact with the pallet, bang, a box appears in our hand. We walk over to the dispatch pallet there on the left, on the ground, and we interact with the pallet, and bang, we put the box down on the pallet, and then we go get another box, and then we come back to the pallet and put it back down there. And the boxes appear on the pallet like so you can put 4 maximum on a pallet. And there's a maximum of 4 boxes that you can get. You can get 2 for 4, so 2, 3, or 4 boxes you'll have to get. So bang. Oh shit. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, it's full. The fuck? Don't tell me that was because it wasn't compiled. That shit happens sometimes. Fucking hell. What? I think we're better off going like... Fucking hell. I'm gonna just see if this fixes that. Fixes that glitch, man. And why isn't the fucking thing removing? I think because it wasn't compiled. No, off here. We've got to try this now. Set it to the 0 watching. Wait. Oh shit, is this actually good? Something's frozen here, I think. Is that because I just can't see it? Oh, okay. Everything's good. Alright. Got the alerts going, so if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. You actually pop up on screen. Not that anyone's watching right now. Picking up's fine. It's doing animation. Yeah, that's better. But what? Oh wait, yeah, it's removing the box. I'm thinking that it's doing everything properly. What am I thinking? Alright, so there's pick up, put down, pick up, put down, pick up, put down. That's good, isn't it? Yeah, that's right. He's going forward and then back to the idle, so that's normal. Bang, 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 bang. So let me show you what it's going to look like. You're going to go like this. It's pretty obvious, but let me just show you that. So you come to this, you come here, bang, you haven't started to order yet, you start to order, the objective pops up, tells you how many boxes you got to do. Say you got 2 boxes from here, you go here, bang, you go, boom, got a box. You go here, you go, bang, put it on the pallet, it appears on the pallet. Then you come back here, get another box, bang. And then you can go to here, put it on the pallet, boom. And a second one's on the pallet. And you can only really go to the ones that you need. So, bang, bang. Alright, so there we go. That's good. That's us. That's working good. So that's what it wants. It wants this. Okay. Okay, alright, boom. That's all done. Now we can leave that there. Equipment's good. Box is good. Now let's do this logic. So total boxes, we're not going to need this. Max boxes, max boxes on pallet. Max boxes 4. Total boxes might need to be replicated. Does that need to be replicated? I don't know, we'll find out. So, alright, so we got toggle box visibility. Alright. Toggle box visibility, okay. So now I need to go like this. Reset box visibility. Boom, 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 and then reset palette. Beautiful. So there we go, we've got that logic. So now we can add the box to the palette. Toggles the visibility of the box. And that would be like 1, 2, 3, 4. And we can just clamp this. Clamp that from from 1 to 4. There we go. Alright. So it can only be 1 to 4. There we go. Palette is complete. Well, I can just check the total of boxes to see if it's complete. Alright, so there we go. We've got the logic for the palette. So that's done. Now, what we want to do, when we interact with this bad boy, get working. Set. Start pickpacking job. Okay, start pickpacking job. Okay. Start pickpacking job. Oh wait, fuck. Fucking love of God, bro. Okay, so there's that. So they can only interact if they're actually working. Oh no, I need to just put a box in their hands. Uh, no return note here. Alright, so there we can pick up a box if we interact with it and we're not working, or if we're working and then we interact with the pallet and we haven't got a box, we'll pick up a box. Simple logic. And now for the dispatch, we need to do something a little bit similar. So if they're working, yes. If they're not working, we can... You don't have any orders to back. You don't have your orders back. We'll just have the same message. So now if they've got a box and they come to the dispatch, now so now how am I going to get this reference? When they interact with it, dispatch functions. Oh wait, and the fucking dispatch. I'm trying to get this reference inside of itself. So that now this is the technique. This is okay. Okay. We don't need to do that gymnastics or have an interface. Because I'm already in here. So now when we interact with the bad boy, we can put down the box. We put down the box and then add box to palette. There we go. We should now pick up a box and put it down. Alright, and then we should be able to populate the box. So let's find out. I mean, populate the palette with boxes. Shout out to the Zero watching, but let's jump straight in and check this out now. We should be good now. I should theoretically be able to walk up to a pallet, grab a box, go over to the dispatch and put it down on the pallet. It'll look sick. Yeah, I need to make sure I've put down enough pallets, and then once I've put down enough boxes on the pallet, then we can go into a dispatch mode. Can dispatch Boolean maybe? No button presses this time. We're trying to use the pallet and the dispatch pallet as well. Pallet of boxes, I should call it. So there we go. Bang. You don't have any orders to pack. Okay. You don't have any orders to pack. Okay. So now I need to... so I need to just do an initiation here. So initiation... This is the computer's going to initiate this. That's right. I can just do this. This is what's going to, process the order. This is starting the order. Then the order's going to give me a certain amount of boxes and stuff. Send me that. Yeah, all right. And then I'm working. Yeah, beautiful. So I press L, and then I go into a working state, and then I can fill up that pallet. I need to make sure there's a message, just in case there's 4 on there, and I'll try to put a 5th box. I tell you, you can't. The pallet's full. And what I need to do is you need to be able to put a box back down on the pallet. So if you pick a box up and you can't put it down on because the pallet's full, the dispatch pallet, you need to be able to go back to the boxes and put it back. This should be good now. Alright, so start the packing order. You got 3 boxes from rack 0. That doesn't matter really right now. Rack 0, fucking bang. 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 Fuck yeah. That looks sick. Oh, that's so sick, man. Oh, okay, the 4th one's not going on. Alright. Let's do this logic first. So if they've got a box and they interact with it, we now need to remove the specific box. Oh, that's right. We're just taking the box out of their hand. You already have a box. That's right. So now what we want to do is puts down box. All right, now let's see what's happening here with the okay, if they don't have a box. So if they don't have a box, when they've interacted with the dispatch, we need to tell them they don't have a box. You don't have any boxes to dispatch. Alright, so there we go. So there's that logic done. So now what we need to do is this logic here is not logicking. The logic is not logicking. Clamp it between 1 and 4. Oh, shit. Oh, interesting. Interesting. Well, instead of sending a message, we just do nothing. Uh, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now let's see if this logic will logic. Reset palette. Okay. Interesting. Okay. Okay. Yeah, the reset palette will be called from the computer, which has the dispatch palette attached to it. So when you finish the order, it will reset the palette. So this logic actually might start logicking. So let's go and test this. Going for an hour and 16, not bad. We're going for a little bit longer. I'm going to try to do a little bit longer streams. Actually get some more stuff done in these streams. Even if I do a big stream and it sort of burns me out, I'll just take the rest of the day off like I did yesterday, and just make a list and plan the next stream, just like I did for this stream, and then you actually see a lot more of the development happening. So like as you can see, I've tried to get the streams to look a lot better. We've got intro music now. So yeah, trying to do longer streams, better streams, get more stuff done in the streams, try and do more entertaining streams. So that's where I'm at right now. Because we're nearly at 100. We're nearly at 100 game dev streams. So we're nearly at 100 game dev and chill streams. So yeah, I want to start upgrading everything a little bit, make everything a little bit better, more entertaining. So I hope the streams look better now. So I'll go to computer, open it up, get an order going. We've got 3 boxes from rack 2. Bang, can put it back, boom, 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 beautiful. Go to here, bang. Go to here, boom. Go to here, bang. Go to here, boom. Go to here, bang. Should be able to put one more on there. Interesting. Why? Why isn't number 4 working? I don't know what the fuck is going on here, guys. The pallet's good. Alright, so it's starting at 0, and then we're going 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah. Oh, wait, yeah, no. So, if that is more or equal to 4, yeah, then we should increment and add a box. 0, 1, 2, 3. Something's not logicking. It's incrementing it. So is it like calling this? Like cannot fit 4th box. So shout out to the one watching. Jump in the comments, guys. Let me know where you're watching from. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. So it's just like the position is maybe just not where it's at. So what have we got here? We got that. Does that change? So X has got to change significantly. Look at that. See that? Uh, Interesting. Something is not logicking. This is for some reason failing. Oh, that's the fucking problem. For the love of God. That's why. Because the numbers. So now we should be good. So now we've got the picking up and putting down boxing logic done. And now all we need to do now is make a way to finalize the order. And then we can add that to a button and we can, bang, we can start doing orders. And then bang, that's all that logic done. And then it's as simple as that. It's probably going to be quicker to make money, so I'll probably have to do it like $1 or $2. You make $1 per process. So you'd have to spend a good 20, 30 minutes to make some decent money to be able to sustain yourself by buying food and all that type of stuff. And buying cigarettes to then buy contraband with it because the inmate currency is cigarettes, which is like $1 for each cigarette. So one cigarette is like $1 sort of thing. So you buy the cigarettes with real money, and then you've got the cigarettes to purchase contraband and stuff like that. It's how the inmates don't leave paper trails and stuff like that. Right, let's see if we can fill this box up now. Alright, now it's going in a very nice order. what I should do, theoretically, is let, fucking no collision, shit. Okay, you just have to aim at the pallet. Alright, so there, we can have 4 boxes now, and there can only be 4 amount of boxes. Okay. So now we can do a finalized job. Start packing job. Fuck, how am I going to do it? I could do it here at this point here. So we keep adding amount of boxes until we've got enough boxes. So we can go like this. Working data. If the number on the pallets we've got to add the box to the pallet, put the box down. So we put it, this will be the last box. And then we check it. So if the total boxes on the pallet now equal the max amount of boxes, then we dispatch it. I reckon we can automatically dispatch because it's fuck. So this means they're finished. I don't think that needs to be replicated, but let's just do that. So now when we're in the dispatch, so alright, so now if they have a box, right, and this dispatch actor is invalid, So now if it's invalid, then we want to set it. Set dispatch actor. Self. You can now dispatch the order. What? Maybe if I compile it first, yeah. So now I've got the dispatch actor saved. Shit. Okay. Little bit of an OCD fix here. You can now dispatch the order. And now we can K key. Fix up this technicality here. This needs to be not there, it needs to be past this. So it only calls if. So then it goes straight down and just removes it. It doesn't change the text. You have successfully dispatched the order. Minimum payment amount, maximum payment amount. So you make $1 to $3. That's how much money you make. All right, so dispatch money, objective over, no longer working. So there we go. Should be able to dispatch pallets now. All right, moment of truth. We should be able to now start an order, pack the order, then dispatch the order. Let's test that out, guys. Shout out to the one watching. Make sure you hit the like button, guys. Consider subscribing. Or jump in the comments if you want. If you've got any questions, now's the time. You can ask. I can answer them in real time, pretty much. But an hour and 40 minutes, not bad. Definitely going longer in these streams. So now I've pretty much got all the logic done. Like the logic's complete now. I can initiate an order. I can pack the order. I got to make sure I'm getting the boxes off the right pallet. Interesting. Yep, that's all I've got to do is make sure I'm getting the boxes off the right pallet, and then boom, that's all the logic done. Then all I need to do is build the computer UI, so there's like an order screen and stuff like that, and you can initiate an order, see the details on screen, but it also comes up in an objective pop up, so you know what you're doing, sort of thing. So LK, so L to start, K to finish. All right. So this is how it's going to happen. You're going to come to this computer. You're going to press L. You're going to initiate. You need 4 boxes from rack 1. We can go bang, 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 bang. It should tell me now once I put this 4th box down that that's the amount of boxes we need. There we go. You can now dispatch the order and K. K's not working. Okay. That's the wrong way fucking around. Interesting. There we go. Now that's going to work. But let's do this logic. Very simple logic. What we need to do is we need to check working data. Working data. We need to split that. So palette data. We need to split that. Does not equal that. It's the wrong part. It's the wrong rack. Oh shit. It's the wrong rack. You are at the wrong rack. You are at the wrong rack. Go to number. Go to rack 1. Pickup box. So there we go. If they're at the wrong rack, we tell them you're at the wrong rack. Go to rack number 3, rack 1. So there we go. So now we shouldn't be able to get it off the wrong rack. Oh, your dispatch wasn't working. Oh, that's right. That's why it wasn't working, because that was firing. Oh, shit. Fuck. Fuck. Ah, now this is... So there we go. That's all the logic done now. Literally, all that needs to be done is just a computer menu so you can initiate and dispatch orders. Simple as that, guys. Pretty simple job. It just gives us a job. Like, it gives you a way to earn money so you can actually play the game and we can test it properly. That's the whole goal right now, is to get a prototype working, playable prototype that works and is optimized. Because we're pretty much still in a pre-alpha stage, so... Alright, let's go start initiating. Oh no, I've got to get out of this. And then we have to go back in. We'll go into there, we'll go to here. Shout out to the two watching. Make sure you hit the like button, guys. Consider subscribing. Jump in the comments if you're watching. Let me know where you're watching from. I'd like to know what time it is for you, what time zone you're in, sort of thing, to see if now's the good time, or if now's not a real good time, you reckon, for the stream. Put in the chat when you think. How many hours from now, or how many hours ago do you think the stream would have been better for you to start? Or is now the good time? Is now fine? I'm probably not going to do the UI on stream. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Should I do the UI on stream? It's just going to be a lot of it's going to be tedious. I have to sort of mess around with it until I get a good design right, get the right logic going and stuff like that. The computer doesn't need to be attached to the. Oh, that's right. I can, yeah, do it slightly differently. Finish the job slightly differently, or dispatch the job slightly differently. Okay, so L, initiate a job. Alright, so pack 4 from rack 2. If I go to rack 1, you're at the wrong rack, go to rack 1. Yeah, the index is wrong, I think. At the wrong rack again. Fuck me dead. Uh, it thinks that's rack 2, but anyway, okay. Uh, so the rack numbers are just not right. Why isn't the dispatch getting rid of? Oh, that's that. So there we go, it's dispatching. But the only problem is this. If it equals, you can now dispatch, and then when we dispatch, we reset the pallet, remove the objective, send them a message saying you've dispatched the order, pay them the money. I've done that so I can get a local variable and they don't have to be here. 7:35 p.m. where I am. Not bad. This time is fine for me. Nice. All right. Welcome to the stream, Craig Tomby. Hopefully I pronounced that right. I'm going for nearly 2 hours. Not bad. All right. So now we can do this logic and then go to that. Go like this. Total earnings. Local total earnings. So there's the local total earnings. You have successfully dispatched the order and earned earnings. Okay, so there, now you can see how much you've earned, and that should be good. Now we need to work out why these numbers were wrong. We can actually, okay, so the local rack number would be, the local rack number would be either, that's going to be a 0, 1, 2, so 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, yeah, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, okay, I think that's correct there. And then this is the issue here. You're at the wrong rack. Go to number. I think that should be good now. Shout out to the one watching. Should be good now. How long have we been going for? 2 hours, not bad. But we're pretty much done, guys. We're pretty much done now. We've done the logic. All of the logic in between the initiation and the ending of the computer system, which is just where it initiates. Right now I've just got buttons. I'm pressing buttons to initiate and finish. So that's all the logic done in between, guys. So there we are. What I can do now is just focus on the design, get the design going, get the orders going. Boom, I've got another short I can do. Make sure you go check out my TikTok channel if you haven't already. We've got over 1,000 followers on TikTok now. We've got over 2,000 on YouTube. We're starting to grow on those platforms. But yeah, I'll put the shorts there. I'll also put them on YouTube as well. But so yeah, there'll probably be a short later on today showcasing the final version of the pick packing job. But yeah, there really isn't nothing left to go. I think the because I've been going for 2 hours. I wouldn't mind taking a little break. But all right, let's test this. I just don't want to do, because I don't know how the order system's gonna look, and I've got OCD. I'm going to have to spend a lot of time messing around with it until it actually looks like an order menu. Like, and then there's got to be logic as well that I'm going to have to work out and all that type of stuff. And then this is going to have to empty the pallet from here instead of me emptying it here when I initiate it here. So I'll initiate it there because then I have to go to here and then, okay. All right, so L, rack 3. Rack 2, go to rack 2. What in the world? Well, there's rack 3. Okay, so now the message is just wrong. So I can't go to rack 3. Okay. So go there. Okay. You can now dispatch the order. Oh, because there's only 2 boxes. Okay. Bang, dispatched. You have successfully dispatched the order and earned $2.40. Why is there fucking 3? Maximum fractals. Minimum fractals, maximum fractals. Okay, so that's that fixed. But now this is showing the wrong number. Okay, so this is wrong. So this data would be wrong here. So there's rack 1, rack 2, rack 3. All right, okay, 3, okay. So that's rack 1, rack 2, rack 3. Rack 3, rack 3, rack 3, rack 2, rack 2, rack 2, rack 1, rack 1, rack 1. So this message is wrong somehow. Maybe this will fucking work now. I don't know. So this is the last bug, guys. And then that's all the logic done. We can initiate an order, pack the order, dispatch the order. Beautiful. But hopefully we can fix this issue and then I'll be done. And I'll probably finish up the stream and then finish off the order, get that done, get a short going for tonight. And then I'll probably jump in tomorrow and we'll work on something completely different. I'll work out something we can work on tomorrow. I'm not sure, but yes. I don't know how the number's fucking wrong, man. Oh, I think I know what's happening. It's happening at a different level. The error's happening at a different level. It's happening when I'm initiating the array. That's what's happening. So, alright. 2 boxes from rack 3. Okay. Oh, now it's working. Okay, beautiful. Bang. 2 boxes from rack 3. Bang. You can now dispatch to order. Okay. Dispatch to order. Bang. Yeah, successfully dispatched and earned. Beautiful. There it is, guys. There's the logic. Very simple logic. Boom. 3 boxes from rack 2. Bang. So you're just gonna see and two like 5 different workers at the same time can work. The pallet will just work on their client side, so the pallet will react to whoever's using it. But they'll be able to stack boxes together. So what we need 3 boxes from rack 2. I've got 2 there. There we go. We can put them back if we want to. It tells me I haven't got a box. Go back to the rack. Here's the 3rd box. We can dispatch the bad boy like that, and then we can go like this. Boom. You have successfully dispatched the order and earned $1.48. So there we go, guys. There's our little dispatching system, our little pick-packing job for the inmates. So what do you reckon, guys? You reckon pretty simple system? Do you like the system? Do you reckon I should try and extend it to make it so you have to get different boxes from different pallets or something? I don't think that's really going to matter, because you can really only fit 4 on the pallet and you don't have any orders to pack. So that's where we are, guys. So if you're new to the stream and you're wondering what this game is, check out the devlogs in the description, or even go to the Discord. I post random showcase videos, all that type of stuff there. I'll show you now. So I can go into here. So this is the game Discord. There is 143 members. We've got a change log. We've got the credits, the actual credits. Shout out to our amazing animator Moat. These are all the assets I'm using. These are the list of the streams. We've got the devlogs. I'm going to be working on devlog 3 very soon. So the next stream will probably pairing for that. And obviously, just random videos and stuff like that. Like, obviously while the animations were being developed, I can sort of showcase you, while stuff like that. So that's that. We've got general. You can ask questions. You can have make suggestions. Apply to become a tester, developer, or a moderator, or if you see any bugs in the game, you can report them here. But that's pretty much where we are with that. That's where we are. So just before I finish up, I want to shout out Schizo, the guy that made our new intro music, which is this song here. So this one here that was playing in the background, and that. Shout out to him for making that intro. It's an original beat that he made from scratch, which is going to be our custom intro beat. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next stream, which will probably be either tomorrow or the next day. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.